Blue Monday? No, not on this homestead. More like a green Monday. The sugar apple is having new growth. Wow, finally. Every day block 2 gives us some amazement and joy. This pecan nut is also sprouting. The apple still got flowers. We'll break down the fruit if there is any fruit for the first year. And this is why I'm here at block 2, to show you this blackberry is flowering. How amazing. Can't believe it. Probably gotta come make some trailers or something for it. Anyways, looking good here. Oh, and my little tree that got damaged. I see there's life. Where is it? Tiny bit of life there on the sides. Can't believe it. Been nursing that small tree for quite a few years. Today we're gonna play with a bit of water. Who doesn't like playing with water? Steve sent me there some videos and stuff about how the sprinklers work, since my sprinkler didn't come with instruction manual. So we're gonna see if we can adjust it and get it fixed. And I see it does have a plate here on the top. Didn't notice it before. It was down there. So yeah, cool. Let's check. Yeah, cool. Alright, so setting it like this, that plate inside the stream and that small screw is like turned into the stream. Now it's making a much smaller area proper. And so I think we'll run this here every day or so for an hour. Because I see when you give water to these natural grasses, they start getting green quite quickly. So just some extra greenery for the sheep. Here at Laurentia's Gardens, I see we've got one sprout. Here in the cow camp, Laurentia is working on a long plan for us. We're planting sorghum here today, so that hopefully in a month or two we can get the cow back, and then the cow can stay in here for a day or two and eat some sorghum and get a little bit domesticated or chilled out or whatever, less wild and more used to the place. So that's the plan, planting sorghum today. Oh, and a small update here from the front of the kabashu. This banana that I moved just before winter is coming along now very nicely with a little pop there. And this one I guess is getting a bit too much water because it's almost white. But some of the bananas got saved. I'm so happy. Check this one. Properly survived the winter. Very nice. And we got a pop somewhere in there coming along. Now isn't that permaculture for you? A lot of mulch, a lot of ground cover. While making a bush TV, Mukoso is also still busy with doing the boundary road there on the western side, Firebreak Road. The chickens are really enjoying this new sprinkler here, and it's working alright. It's making a nice circle full of water. So we'll let it run here every few days. Here nearby the kabashu, this small raised bed was given to Laurentia. She planted some stuff here under Boo's supervision. I had Wi-Fi troubles. It's quite a big area, nice and wet. We'll give water every second day because the sorghum seems it doesn't need so much water. And this camp will be closed off now for the next month or so. So hopefully some grasses will start to grow also. And the chickens are indeed enjoying this new roof. They're chilling here at the water under the roof the whole time, it seems. Oh yeah, check this out. The penthouse suit. It's got some eggs in there. Chickens like this top one. A very frustrating day with the Wi-Fi, the internet. I wanted to get some videos downloaded for them to watch for training. Saves me a lot of explaining to do, and I'm really not the teacher type. So block 2 has been having some water here. I think I can close the tap again. It's about 4 hours, I think, that it was open. I just wanted to have it open for for an hour. And the termites are always busy. So yeah, just the same old, same old. So this sprinkler has been running for a good few hours and it's looking proper. So we'll just keep watering this grass, and then there's something green for the sheep. Oh yes, Steve, thank you very much for those tips. Appreciate it.